What does accidental buildings cover? Instant insurance cover or from a start date of your choice. You can choose from a quote for landlord building and contents insurances based on the information that you provide, so please be sure to provide correct details. You can also avail additional cover. Available includes emergency assistance and legal expenses. This will provide you with the required guidance in times of emergency. You are also advised to make a full inventory of your property with photographic evidence and value. You must also keep a detailed record of the dates on which you have visited your buy-to-let property, for example, to collect the rent and whether it was in good condition. With buildings insurance, you can look forward to save a substantial amount of money besides having an insurance cover. This kind of cover will help you keep the content safe in the house and building premise. You can easily protect your property and be safe with the belongings. As a landlord, you can be rest assured that you will not be left in the lurch. You can be rest assured that the belongings will be safe and sound.